Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of TCW TV. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe. We're going to be in loads of car content. Today, it's a very sunny morning. We're down at Curborough racetrack and we're going to be testing the GP in its natural habitat. Can't wait to get it out on the track. I'm going to be honest, I've had loads of challenges already. I think that's got something to do with the big wing on the back. I'm not going to be racing anyone today. I'm just going to be seeing what the car can do and getting a real feel for it. Okay, so this is the first lap of the track day. Let's see what I can do. Get around now. Oh, yes. On again. On again. And round. Hit that apex. Try not to slide too much. Woo! Yes, 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 yes. Wow. Car, it's amazing. Oh yes, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, that grip and the brakes. Okay, let's see if we can go around here. Go around here. Keep going. Hold. Wow. The grip, the brakes. Wow. What a car. What a car. What a first lap. I think got a sneaky 2 or 3 in there, but that was amazing. What a car. So we had that was in sport mode, sorry, GP mode, so all the assistance off, and it just gripped and it held. Wow, that was unbelievable. Right, so we've done a couple of hot laps and now we're heading out with Adele in the driving seat. I'm not gonna lie, I'm cacking myself. Let's see what happens. I am a bit of a control freak. Are you gonna look after me?
Maybe.
Maybe? Yeah, I'm cacking myself. So here we go, Adele's first lap. Boys,
good luck.
Good luck.
See you next year.
Yeah.
I'm not that bad.
Let's see what happens. Here we go. Myself. Get used to it. Oh my god, I don't like this. Slow. Whoa. Right, stop being a control freak, Matt.
Whoa.
Jesus. Honestly, I don't know if I like you going out again after that. We're halfway through the track day at Curborough. What an amazing day. This track is made for the GP, it's perfect. Tight turns, it's a short course, it's fast, and the GP is handling it well. I can't find its limit. I don't know if I want to find its limit because it seems to be going very fast around the corners, but what a special car. It's honestly, I've never driven anything like it. So much fun. It just, like I said, it just grips and grips and grips and grips. It just keeps giving me more and more confidence. And I'm not by any means a great race car driver or a great driver of any kind, but this car just gives you the confidence to go for it, and it's keeping up with all the other cars, and it's great. We're good to go?
Yeah.
GP mode. Who would have thought it? I've just been told I got the fastest lap. I didn't come here to race, didn't come here to compete, and I definitely don't think it's got anything to do with my driving. This GP is unbelievable. It just sticks around the corners, it's fast out the corners, it gives you so much confidence that it's just unbelievable. I can't describe how good it is, and the fact that we've got the fastest lap is even better. And like I said, that's not down to my driving. This car is just so good. It just keeps giving and giving and giving, and you get more and more confident, and you keep pushing. And no doubt that by the end of today, that we'll be smashing out some big lap times, and hopefully putting a gap between us and the rest of the boys. And like I said, we're here against some big cars. There's some proper cars here, and this GP is holding its own. In fact, it's beating everyone at the moment. So let's see what we can keep doing. We're not racing, like I said. We're just here to get a feel for the car. But if the car just keeps getting faster and faster, then great. It's amazing. Honestly, what a beautiful little car. Amazing. So we've got the boys from the Ranger Racer team just about to head out. Definitely unique. We've had one incident so far. Unfortunately, the Ranger boys have crashed the Ranger. They've just changed it from a front wheel drive car to a rear wheel drive car, which I think that affected the handling. And this is the first time they got it out on the tracks. Unfortunately, the boys are all okay, but the Ranger's looking a little bit worse for wear. But the boys are okay, which is good. So that's it for another day. What an amazing day it's been down at Curborough. As you can see, the cars flying past still. The Mini GP has been absolutely sensational. It's held its own against all the other cars. It held the lap record for a majority of the day. Unfortunately, we lost it at last minute, but we wasn't here to compete. We're just here to see how the car handled, and it was truly amazing. In the corners, you just had so much confidence. Coming out the corners, you had confidence. Never at one point did I feel like it was going to let go, or I didn't have control of it. Absolutely sensational. I don't think I got anywhere near the edge though, so we're going to book in another track day, and we're going to be booking in the Nürburgring in the next couple of weeks. So make sure you like and subscribe, and come and check us out at the Nürburgring.